Here is how you can install your hair with just cheap products for that matter. You'll be using a got2b glue. Yes, place it on your head nicely, let it dry. Put the wig on your head and place it nicely. Place the wig nicely and add glues to the place that are not holding very well. Let it dry, tie it down, and use this smoosh to style the baby hair. Yes, style it very nicely and just the way you want it. Any kind of style you want, you can do that. After that, you'll be using a wax stick. You can see, use a wax stick to press it down to make it look slick. And after that, you'll be stretching it and voila, this is the end result. I use just 3 cheap products. I'll be keeping the products down in my description button. You can do better to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys. Bye.